Hi guys, a second part, and yeah, I started with playing military base.
Yeah, guys.
And you should like promise me you won't like annoy me. Like, if you annoy me again, I swear to God, I'll slap you. Bro, stop. Guys, think if you like, okay, I'm gonna like just come to you. I made like a helicopter by myself. Do you wanna use a helicopter or a plane? Arjun, you wanna use a helicopter or a plane? Plane. You choose a plane? Okay, I started it.
What? Do you have launch? No, how can it start? Okay.
I'm coming to you, babe. I don't see you. Oh, you're near me. Is that a missile coming to mine or is it this one? Nope, it's going other side. No! Don't kill me. Yeah, I died. I died. Sorry, I died. I do not know how did I die. Yeah, but I just died. Do you have any idea how you died? I'm coming to your base. The Luke killed me. I was using a landing fortress. Wait, I'm gonna stop my engine. Action! I am preparing for landing. I'm down there. You got my gun. Why? Ah, they started shooting at me. Get away! Get away! Get away! Hello. Ah! Kill them. I don't find you. I don't see you. Arjun, where are you? I'm outside. I'm outside of my.
Where I was there.
Hello, Arjun.
Okay, yeah.
Get in the plane. You can't like run. I do. Okay. I'm starting the plane. Okay. What? What?
Instead, we just eat something.
No. This enter passengers. Okay. I'm starting the engine in three, two, one. Okay. You can also shoot, right? No. You can shoot. Yeah. 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 Wait. Wait. Oh. Sorry, guys. Wait. It's not working. No. No. This is not gonna happen. Not happening. Not happening. This is not happening. Oh.
What happened?
Guys, I'm stopping my window closed by mistake.
No, that's okay.
Yeah, I'm joining again. Give me a minute. Am I in midair? No, don't leave.
Oh,
You disappeared? What happened? Say something.
on the street.
On the street. I'm coming in my helicopter, so just be there. No, do not go there. That's a nuke teleporter from. No, he's dead, guys. He's dead. He's dead. I'm coming in my helicopter. They just wait there. Do not go. Oh, okay. I'm coming. You know what? I'm just taking my flight. Oh, go. Engines, do it. I did not find you.
Yeah.
I am coming. I don't see you. I really don't see you. I'm in your base. Just come to your base fast.
This is so long.
Just respawn. Oh wait, I think so. I should take a turn.
Oh, I'm jumping.
I don't see you, bro. I think I see you. I don't see you. Wait, I'm coming. I think I'm.
Calm down.
Oh, wait. I'm just. Wait. Give me a minute. I'm not. I'm coming. Give me a minute. Oh yeah, I gotta take off for a minute. I'm taking off for a minute, just for a minute. Okay, I'm coming. Ah! Yeah, I'm coming. Okay, where are you? Actually, we gotta go to my base like very fast. No, my plane's gonna blast. Yeah.
It's time for me to go home. It's the
Oh no, because of them even we're going. Imagine just be in my base. Just for like a honestly. I'm just gonna like yeah.
Oh my God, what happened to your base?
Okay, I'm good.
Oh, what is this?
No, come on, listen.
Oh, I'll be taking control now.
We came into a joke. What
If I want to bump it, I'll be taking control.
do you mean?
I'm just confused. I have to do what?
Is someone receiving on me?
Who's the third one? Oh, now it's just no. Oh, I'm gonna get the jet. Wait.
You don't have a gym. Bad idea. Oh, I'm coming. I'm shit. My plane. It is like yeah. Well, give me something good. I'm spinning. I'm spinning. No, that's stupidity. My plane blasted. I'm taking my helicopter instead of that. Okay. Mamma mia, Super Mario. I'm coming to your base. Woohoo! You're gonna wait. Coming up. Stay up. Stay up. Stay. Black plane. I built this by myself. I prepare for landing. I am preparing for landing. I am preparing for landing. Preparing for landing. 3, 2, 1. Constellation. Whoop, whoop. I'm preparing for landing.
Oh, I create my bomb.
No, you're coming. I landed. I'm far. I'm on the HP. I'm in the hot spot.
What's this?
Come on. There's a ladder on the side. There's like a ladder. Just go all the way through that wing. That thing. Yep, sorry. Uh, excuse me, Luke. Yeah, the fighting and food is in your house. Oh, there's something fighting on me. Stop. Inclination. Like that. I. No, someone's shooting in your plane. Do you have any? Bro. Sorry. What? Alright, I got it. Infinity Tower, here we go. I'm coming for you. Someone launched a nuke. Uh, someone's gonna have a bad. Don't. Oh no. Wait, do you wanna go there? Yeah. Breaking down, landing. Oh, it's a boss fight. You wanna play a boss fight? No, it's for 250 above. Bro, it just blasted his face. Ensuring fire, fire alert, fire alert, fire alert. Yeah, no. Oh, shit. Ah, shit was. Huh? Who? What do you mean, someone? I don't know. Huh? Who? Oh, he's out. Wait, what? அக்கா சவுத் டிபார்ச்சர் வந்திருக்காங்க மீட் பண்ண சீக்கிரம் போ go fast
I'm gonna jump down.
yes! Oh, I'm gonna be shooting at the infinity. I'm gonna be shooting, okay? I'd like the miss.
Yeah, just take the gun.
Yeah. Ah, incoming missile.
Go down. Go.
Guys, we'll be not talking for like a minute, so yeah. Just give us a minute. Amma, Amma. Hello, auntie. ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ கொஞ்சம் மட்டும் அதை விட முடியுமா லைக் 7 o'clock வரையும் இல்ல எனக்கு மார்னிங் நான் வர என்னால செய்ய முடியாது அதனால அம்மா காணாம போயிட்டாங்க